What's up, my fitness family? Brent Kasmer here with BKPT Brent Kasmer Personal Training. Yes, I have a 5-minute workout for abs, and you could do this anywhere. I mean anywhere, literally in a closet, under your desk, wherever you're at. You could do this workout because there's no equipment, and it's a 5-minute mini workout for abs. I know, you guys love it already. So I'm gonna set a timer right here, 5 minutes. We're gonna count down. I'm gonna do 4 exercises. I'm not gonna share them all with you right this second, because first I want you to subscribe and mash that notification bell. That way you're notified as all my new content is dropped, all right? Also, show a brother some love, give me some likes, and pop in the comments ab exercises you like to do in the closet or under your desk. Seriously. All right, here we go. We're gonna start off, hit the timer, bump, bump. All right, we're gonna start off with crunches. So, crunches, just breathing out. We're gonna do 20 reps. Focus on pulling that stomach in. And exhaling out on the way up as you're crunching. Good, we're working top abs, obliques, lower abs, and also some cardiac arrest type stuff. So here we go, bicycle crunches, good rotation. 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10 more, and 10, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 40. Yeah, that'd be 20 per side. Slackers. Here we go, leg lowers, bottom abs, here it comes, keeping that back snug on the floor, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, and the surprise is coming, 8, 4, 9, and 20. Sweet. All right, we got some burpees. We're not doing 20, we're only doing 10. All right, here we go. So if you're doing this under your desk, make sure you hit that standing feature. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Are you having fun? I know, I'm having fun. Let's go back to the top. Ooh, baby. They're going to be hot this round. Woo! All right, bicycles. Legs are up. Keep your feet above your knees. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, my abs are crying. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Oh my gosh, I love abs. Everybody knows that though. Come on, leg lowers. Whoop. 5 minutes of crushing abs. Crushing some abs. It's intense. It's just your body. Come on, last 10. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, come on, 10 burpees. Go, go. Finish it out. Don't stop now. Oh. 5 more. 5 minutes of blissfulness. Now you can go back to work feeling good about what you just did, and it was 5 minutes, man. Some people go on smoke breaks. You go on an ab break. All right? Good job. Mini workouts. Get that little extra something in. My name is Brent Kasmer. This is BKPT. Make sure to subscribe. Bash that notification bell to be notified as all my new content is dropped. And I will see you in that next video.